In this tutorial, I will teach you a very fast way to square a 2-digit number ending with 5. So let's get started. Example 1, 25 squared. This is a 2-digit number that ends in 5. First thing you do, we'll write out 25, subtract 5 from 25 and write your answer, that's 20. Add 5 to 25, which is 30. This is minus 5 plus 5. Multiply your two answers. As 20 multiplied by 30 will give you 600. Then add 5 squared to your answer. 5 squared is 25. So we add 25 to 8 and our answer is going to be 625. Quick way. Another example, let's try and square 85 this time around. So we write out 85. Minus 5 from 85, you get 80, that's minus 5. You add 5 to 85, you get 90, that's plus 5. Multiply your two answers together. 80 multiplied by 90 is very easy because they're in tens. 8 multiplied by 9 is 72, so we write the two zeros, that's 72. Add 5 squares to your answer, that's plus 25, and your answer is going to be 7225. Very easy, so you can do that offhand if you memorize this rule.